Let go of self-doubt and live your dreams. Hello, I'm Mark Tern from thesolution2.com. Today we talk about overcome doubting yourself and live your dreams. Self-doubt is one of the biggest barriers in our lives. We all have doubts about our abilities. We all have fears. We all have doubts about what other people think of us. To heal your self-doubt, you have to acknowledge it, silence your inner critic and accept you are not perfect, but you are enough. This leads the way to getting over self-doubt. To get rid of doubt and fear, you must have the courage to be yourself, in spite of the fact that it's not the popular thing to be. Most people would rather not think of themselves as brave, confident or courageous. But if you are truly honest with yourself, you know that you have strengths and abilities that you are not aware of. You need to understand that there are things you can do to overcome self-doubt and start living your dreams. Don't let those doubts stop you from doing what you want to do. Get your head around them and stop dwelling on them. You are the only person who can decide to be positive. You are the only one who can make a choice to do what scares you. The choice is yours to make and you must own it. You don't have to be perfect to succeed. To combat self-doubt, you just have to believe in yourself and start. Just focus on what you really enjoy and what you are good at. Start now. Just keep moving forward, learn from your mistakes and improve your skills. To fight self-doubt, you just have to be willing to keep trying until you get it right. Start believing in yourself.